Did you know that anyone can share your Facebook posts to their stories by default? Even posts you meant for friends only can suddenly go public. In this video, I'll show you how to stop others from sharing your posts and fully control your Facebook content privacy in just a few taps. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn regular Facebook users into digital privacy pros. Today, I'll guide you step by step to stop anyone from resharing your posts to their stories, keeping your content safe, private, and fully under your control. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open your Facebook app. Launch your Facebook mobile app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Open menu. Tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right of your screen. Step 3. Access settings. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Go to Audience and Visibility. Scroll down and tap Audience and Visibility. Step 5. Open Profile and Tagging. Tap Profile and Tagging. Before we dive in, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for all Facebook privacy tricks, security guides, and pro tips. Hit the bell icon to never miss a tutorial that actually protects your account. Now let's lock down your posts. Step 6. Control sharing settings. Look for Allow others to share your post to their stories. Here you have two options. Toggle on if you want others to share your posts. Toggle off if you want to prevent anyone from sharing. Switch it off to stop your posts from being reshared. Boom! Your posts are now fully protected from public sharing. Why this matters. This simple toggle gives you complete control over who shares your posts, keeps private content safe from public exposure, protects your professional and personal image, reduces accidental viral sharing, enhances your Facebook privacy like a pro. Now you know how to stop anyone from sharing your Facebook posts to their stories, keeping your timeline fully private and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, share with friends who care about privacy, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more step-by-step Facebook tutorials. Remember, your content, your rules. Don't let anyone else control your posts. See you in the next powerful privacy guide.